paano siya bilang tatay. In the morning, tatawag siya, "Oh anak, kumain ka na ba?" Sa tanghali, tatawag siya ulit, "Oh, lunch na, kumain ka na ba?" Maghapon, tatawag ulit, "Nasaan ka na?" Sa gabi, tatawag siya ulit, "Oh, nasa bahay na ako, tulog ka na." So, with that, you would know already how he is as a father. He's such a caring father, a loving father. He's a fantastic uncle. He loves my children so much. He's a great grandfather. He's selfless. He would rather share than spend for himself. All of us, meron tayong mga luho. He collects, but hindi siya mag-argo for himself. Drives a very simple car. He lives simple life, a very simple life. So selfless. Loyalty, which he's so known for, and pakikisama, which is also known for. What's so nice about him is he doesn't have to utter any word. His actions will speak for itself. As the only son, I really have to be very strong, because I just have to. It's difficult kasi ang bilis ng pangyayari. In a matter of 17 hours, it was over. So I really had to be tough. He's such a caring person. He cares for everybody. He cares for everybody. He has left a legacy that I hope that me, my family will be able to, kahit in a way, be able to continue that. We will really try our best, because in the family we are not showbiz people, we're not. And the legacy he left in the industry is, wow, it's incomparable.